What if I told you a 100 investment today could turn into 50,000 without winning the lottery? If you have been following for some time now, you already know how obsessed we are with the idea of investing early. And when we talk about investing early, we're talking about investing as soon as possible, as soon as you can, regardless of the amount. Because the earlier you start, the bigger your financial future can be. And even more importantly, the earlier you start, the less you have to save, the less you have to sacrifice in order to build that financial future. The great thing is that it doesn't take a lot of money to start investing. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it either. It takes just a few minutes every couple of months. That's it. So let's look at why you should invest as soon as possible. This is something that Warren Buffett has said many times. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. The truth is that anyone with a basic understanding of the markets and a little common sense can invest their money. What makes successful investors different from everyone else is patience. It's their ability to stay invested for a very long period of time. In other words, the key to investing is not when you start, but rather how long you stay invested. Wealth is built patiently. It's built brick by brick, day by day, year by year. Most people want to get rich quickly. They want to make a lot of money in a short period of time. But unfortunately, this is not how wealth is created. Warren Buffett says the best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best is today. The fact is that time is our most valuable asset. We cannot buy more of it. We cannot earn more of it. We can only use it or lose it, and once lost, we can never get it back. So there is no better time to start investing than right now. Don't wait. If you have not started yet, then start today. Most people think that they need a lot of money to start investing, but the reality is quite the opposite. When you start investing early, when you start investing small amounts, you have time on your side. So instead of thinking that you need a lot of money to start investing, you should realize that you need time. And the good news is that you have plenty of it. You see, when you invest, your money starts working for you. It earns returns, and then those returns earn more returns. This is what we call compounding, and there is nothing more powerful than compounding. Warren Buffett started investing at age 11. He's been investing for over 80 years, and now he is one of the richest people in the world, and he got there because he started early. So remember, it's never too late to start investing, but the sooner you start, the better. The sooner you start, the less you have to save, the less you have to sacrifice. So if you haven't started investing yet, then start today. If you've been thinking that you're going to invest next month or next year, stop it, do it today, don't wait. Remember, Buffett has also said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. So if you want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, if you want to enjoy the benefits of compounding, then plant your tree today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time is now. There will never be a better time than today. So start today. Also remember that you don't need a lot to start investing. Even if you can only invest $100 a month, that's okay. Just start, just begin, and then stick to it. Remember, consistency matters more than size. If you invest $100 a month for 40 years, that will be $48,000. And if you invest $100,000 all at once, but only for 10 years, that will also be $48,000. So the earlier you start, the less you have to save, the less you have to sacrifice. So start today. Be patient. Let time and compounding do the rest. Make your future self proud.